Thank you. Not again, Nne. Nne, please. Nne. 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 No, no, no. No, not again. Where's my own fruit? No! No! No, what is my offense? What have I done? What did I do? Why do you keep omitting me? No, need my own fruits, no! No, where are you? No, please!
What is it? Why are you awake? Babe? Are you okay? Huh? Babe? Baby, you're crying. Why are you crying? What is it? Why are you crying? Babe?
Nothing.
You can't say nothing. You're crying.
It's nothing. I'm fine.
You're not fine. Look at yourself. You're crying and you're telling me you're fine. You're not fine. Talk to me. What is it? Babe.
It's the dream.
The dream? You had a dream again?
Yes. I don't even know what I did to this woman. I don't even know her. I don't know why she keeps denying me this apple, whereas she gives all the other women. Why? What did I do to her?
Did she give to G, your elder sister, this time around?
No. She was not in the picture. But what could I have done to her to make her hate me so much that she doesn't even want to give me the same thing she gives to everyone?
Babe, see. Calm down. What is this? I don't want you to focus on this old woman about apple or not giving you whatever. She's not holding your destiny. Please, God's time is the best. When it's time, God will give us children.
Okay, tell me, when is God's time?
So,
when exactly is God's time?
babe, please stop crying, okay?
Each time she appears and give Ada and Amaka apples, they end up getting pregnant. Why will she deny me mine? Why? What did I do? Why does she hate me so much? What did I
It's
do?
okay, it's okay.
I feel she's holding our blessing, she's holding our baby.
No, she's not. God's time is the... Stop focusing on this old woman that I don't know. What's the color of the apple? The red one or green one? I'll buy it for you.
I just want the apple. I want it, I don't care anymore.
Eh? Stop this now. It's not right. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, please. It's okay, Biko. It's okay. Oh? I have to sleep now. I have to sleep now. Okay?
Why do you keep skipping me? Each time you want to give the women of this family gifts. Why? Are we enemies?
My daughter, when it gets to your turn, the fruit finishes. Yes.
Why are you always in shortage of fruits when you can actually make provision for everyone?
If they acknowledge them, it will be enough for everyone.
Acknowledge them? Acknowledge who? And what is it to be acknowledged?
Them.
Them? Now you speak in parables. Please, can you just speak to me in a language I can understand?
They have not acknowledged them. Yes.
Nay, you're getting me more confused. What do you mean? What are you talking about?
They are more confused than you.
Nay, please. Nay, please, I really need these fruits. Please have mercy on me and give me these fruits. And I need it. I need it. Nay. 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 Hey. Nay.
My breakfast.
I'm sorry.
No, you're still crying. Why are you still crying? I thought we've talked about this. We've talked over this last night. Why are you still crying?
You know what, let me just quickly fix your breakfast.
No, I don't want to eat anything. Now tell me, what is the problem? Talk to me. What is it?
I need a child. I need to carry my baby. I need to carry my child.
Babe.
Can't you see I'm sinking in pain? Can't you see?
Can you stop this? We've talked this thing over and over again. Why are you still crying? God's time is the best. Please.
Look, the truth is, I am tired of waiting. I can no longer wait, honey. I know that woman that I see often in my dream, she has something to do with our predicament. I cannot wait any longer. I'm tired.
Seems you guys are taking me for granted. But until you start listening to me, you will never get it right. Yes, the woman you usually see in your dreams, that woman is Uncle Mbakwe in disguise. Yes, that man is evil. A woman of God told me about it. She told me about it and I have checked it left and right, back and front. It is true. Uncle Mbakwe and Ifani are the problems we're having in our family. They swore to destroy all of us. But I will so deal with them. I will show them what I am made of. It's Ifani. Don't worry about Ifani. I personally will deal with Ifani. I will take him out of our way. Trust me on that, I will. Trust you guys are forgetting something. Did you forget what our mother told us on our sickbed concerning Uncle Mbakwe? Did not clear to all of you that Uncle Mbakwe is evil? So evil!
But Pastor Luke said something about giving Caesar what belongs to Caesar and God what belongs to God. Mirabe, is that not what Luke said?
And of course, I am not disputing that. He meant we needed to do some sacrifices to face Uncle Mbakwe. Yes, we really need to do something. We really need to face this man spiritually. Yes, because if we don't face him spiritually, he will continue to triumph over our homes. No, I am telling you what I know. That's what I know. Because I don't know why my sisters seem to be barren. Why theirs are giving birth every year like animals. Fowls. No, name them. I am out. I am out for Uncle Mbakwe. I am out for Ifani. I will so deal with them. I will teach them a lesson. I'll show them that I am the only man in our own family, but I can stand them. I will destroy them.
But what did I do to Uncle Mbakwe? Why is he after me? Why is he after my marriage? What did I do to him?
I am out for them. I will show them, don't worry. Don't worry.
Okay. Look at our stepsister, Ada. She's pregnant again for the 3rd time. Look at Amaka too. But myself, nothing to show for it. Nothing at all.
What about me that had Junior out of wedlock? What about me? Henry had to marry me because I took in before marriage. Not even for once did I miss my period after I had Junior. Please, we need to act fast.
See, Obi-Wan, we really need to act fast.
Yes, sir.
And now. If not, something is already spoiling.
I am starting right away. I am starting right away. As soon as I leave this place, I will start. Get up yourself and million. Huh? Don't worry. No one knows. I'll show them.
Chukwoki Kabiama, the Almighty God, the honor of our lives, we honor you. Mother Earth, we respect you. Protect our lives. Oh Sun, shine forth light into our life. Oh you trees, may you bring forth food in abundance into our life. Gods of our fathers, Yama Nonzo, Neke, Oye, Afo, Nkwo, gods of our fathers, I present Kola. A child who does not allow the mother to sleep will not sleep. A child who refuses to heed the advice of the elders will meet his doom. If I seek to harm my own brother, take my life before the Eke market day. But if my brother seeks my own blood, reprove him in a way he will never forget. Tanoji.
Papa, here is the water. Papa, I want to go and prepare for church. We have choir rehearsals.
Okay.
It's emergency.
Okay, my daughter. But be careful on the way.
Yes, Papa. Thank you.
Go safely.
Yes, Papa.
Chimbakwe, Obinna here came to me. And this is the second time. And he complained that his uncle, Ichembakwe here, is the one that he has been a snake under their roof. And that he is the one behind all the predicament his two sisters, Mirabel and Uju, are undergoing in their marriage.
Yes. Yes.
So that is why I invited you, Icheendu, to be a witness to thee. Because to this, I want to ask him, what have these children done to him that they deserve all this? My late sister's children, and they are his late brother's children. Why is he doing this? Why is he making these girls to cry?
Our in-law, we have heard what you said. Ichembakwe, are you behind the predicament that his sisters are going through in their homes?
Absolutely no.
Oh, it's a lie. You're a liar from the deepest pit of hell.
Obinna, I am your uncle. Watch your words.
Oh, what? No, Uncle Mbakwe. Tell me what is going to happen.
Hey, but what are you going to do?
Uncle, let's get out of here.
What are you going to do? What am I going to do?
Let's get out of here. I will show you. No, Uncle, leave me alone. I am out for you.
Obinna.
I will show you that you're nothing but a working corpse.
Obinna.
Uncle, let's go.
Obinna, stop.
Uncle Mbaka, let's go. Let's go. Enter moto. Uncle, buy moto.
Ichie, do something about it.
Ojum kita yo to emu ya.
Tall for nothing.
Ojum kita yo to emu ya.
No single sense. What am I going to gain to harm these children? What? I'm not an evil man. The fault is from their mother. I keep saying it. The fault is from that woman.
So, Uncle, why are you telling us this? You brought me and my pregnant sister to this place to tell us how Obinna, our stepbrother, disrespected you. So what? So we'll do what? You deserve it. When our father was about taking a second wife, we did nothing.
I did nothing.
You did nothing.
Am I supposed to be telling your father what to do and what not to do? Each time I gave him advice, he never listened. He never took my advice. Now he's gone and leaving me behind with this little boy to be insulting me every day.
Uncle, like I said, you deserve it. Because if you have put more energy to stop our father from taking a second wife, I don't think by now Obina's mother would be part of this family.
Fine. I'm not here to rant words with you. Just tell your stepbrother to stop dragging me. Let him stay clear. A word is enough for the wise, oh. And Ada, how is your husband?
Uncle, he's fine. He's fine. I'm just very mad right now. I'm not happy with the way Obina is dragging you up and down. How could Obina be accusing you? Are you sure that guy is normal? Are you sure he's really okay upstairs?
I don't know. I don't just know.
I throw that boy in here.
It's okay. It's okay. There's no problem. I will call him to order, as you said. But Uncle, if he dares disrespect me,
change area.
If he tries it, even you will not like to hear what I will do to him.
I trust you. I know what you can do.
No problem.
It's getting too much for Obina. It's getting too much.
Obina.
Mama, I do not want to hear you talking about my wife and the family again. Please.
No, you must listen to me, my son. Oh yes, you must. You cannot just go and carry your fellow man in the name of a wife.
Mama.
This is not a matter of mama. Do not mama me. You see that woman? I have made my findings. She can never give birth.
I rebuke you and your findings. Mama will have children. My wife and I will have children when the time comes. God's time is the best.
Ah.
Yes.
You must be joking. You see that woman? She must leave this house.
Yeah.
No, mama. She must leave this house because she is not useful in any way. No problem.
Mama, be careful. Hey.
Yeah, Christian. What did you just say? You say I'm Nana? Because of a woman, you want to send me back to the village? Where was she when I gave birth to you? When I trained you? When I spent all my resources on you? Where was she? No, answer me! Where was she? Because I want to better the family name. What you mean again? Christian. Oh yeah, send me back to the village. Christian, take me back to the village. Take me back.
Enough is enough. Enough is enough.
Look, it's not enough. Okay? It's not nonsense. We need a child. Your mother is already on my neck. I need to carry my own child.
I will never allow you to step your feet into that fetish house. You won't try it. I will never allow you to do that. You're not going to do that. Do you understand? You're not going to find yourself into a native doctor's house for that. You will not try it.
Look, my mind is made up and you cannot change it. I must follow my elder sister to Enugu.
Okay, Demi. Demi, what is wrong with you? What has come over you? What is wrong with you? What is it?
I need my own child. I need to carry my own baby.
Then wait for God's time.
I am tired of waiting.
God's time is the best.
I must go. There's nothing you're saying that can stop me. I must go.
Ah. Okay. Demi.
Mira, what are you doing? Mira, who asked you to wash my clothes? Did I send you?
No, you didn't need to send me. I just...
Enough. Let me tell you something. You see this code you are trying to display before me? Numbaya, I have it. I have it with me. So you think by cooking for me and washing my clothes will make me change my mind towards you? Asiasi.
Mama, change your mind about what?
Mira, now listen and listen very good. I am going to get my son a fruitful wife. What I can't for what I can't watch you now for.
Mama, why do you think I cannot give my husband a child? Why do you think that way of me? It's unfair.
You are cursed. You are barren for life. I mean forever.
Mama.
Yeah? Don't you have a native doctor in your village? Yes. The deity in your compound have sworn never to give you nor your siblings a child.
What did I do?
What is going on here?
Yeah.
Yes, drink and forget your sorrows.
Uncle, do you know why I'm angry? Uncle, before I could say a word, Obina accused me of conspiracy. Yes, that we are responsible for the challenges of our sister in our home. I've told you countless times that that boy is nothing good to write home about. And you don't believe me. In fact, I've totally washed off my hands on him.
Obina. What is wrong with him? What is actually wrong with that boy? He doesn't listen, just like his late mother.
Because he thinks they have made money. They have wealth. Let their God keep blessing them with money and wealth, while our own God keep blessing us with children. Look at Ada. Ada is heavily pregnant. Amaka is also pregnant. I have 3 kids, 2 boys and a girl. So what else? No, what else? Nonsense. I only pity Mirabel. I only pity Mirabel.
A stubborn child always thinks he's right. But an obstinate housefly will follow the corpse to the grave. I warned my late brother Okonko. I warned him. I said, do not allow your second wife to ride you. But he wouldn't listen. He wouldn't. Look at where we are. Now they are all dead. Leaving Obinna, Uju, and Mirabel. And they are saying that I am responsible for their misfortune. How?
I don't understand.
No. How? Answer me. How?
Uncle, don't mind them. Don't mind them. No, since they think they have money, they have all the money in the world, let them go and buy kids. Yes, let them go out there and purchase children. Nonsense.
The old woman I see all the time must represent something in my father's compound. But why have they sworn not to give me a child? What did I do? Who did I offend? What did I do?
It's okay. Take it easy, okay?
What did I do? Why? What have I done that's made them be so angry with me?
It's okay.
I love you so much. And I don't want another woman to come into this home and give birth to children for you. I need a child. I need a child. I need my own child.
Stop crying, okay? It's okay.
My husband, is it true that you and Uncle Mbakwe is responsible for Mirabel's childlessness?
Chiamaka, where did you get that from?
My husband, don't be angry. The villagers are talking.
The villagers are talking and you believe them?
It's not as if I believe them. I just want to be...
How dare you ask me such a useless question? Huh? Listen, let me tell you. Then, I have no hand in whatever thing my sisters are passing through. Okay?
My husband, don't be angry. Please, I'm sorry. Forgive me. My husband, don't be angry now. I'm just trying. I'm sorry.
Look, Chris, I am fed up. I am totally fed up. I'm fed up with the whole idea.
I don't understand. What is wrong with you? The last time my wife and I visited Dr. James, he said that we are productive and we're fertile.
Okay. That is something with our case. Exactly the same thing our doctor said. Oh, come on. I cannot wait any longer. See, after Uju had our first child, our first son, it's as if her wound closed. Ever since then, there's nothing to show off. I am tired of the whole thing.
What do you mean?
What I mean is that I'm thinking of having a second wife. Or maybe concubine.
I'm just surprised at you. You even have a son, and you're so desperate more than me that have nothing. No. For 5 years, I've been searching for 5 years. I still don't have.
Look, we are not the same. Chris, we are different. Although we are friends, but we are not the same. Look, I am the only child of my parents.
I can see you don't love Uju anymore.
Who is talking about love? I am talking of children. You are talking about love. I'm not talking about love. I'm talking of children. See, I'm the only child of my parents. I need to make more kids for myself.
You need to be patient. Okay? God's time is the best.
See, Chris, I cannot be patient. I cannot wait for God's time. No. I have to take a step, a bold step. Can't wait for that time. It's as if the God's time is not coming. Can't you see it now? Check this thing now.
Are you asking her where she's coming from? She went for child hunting. I guess she must have gone to see one of those her numerous boyfriends to see if she can bring in a bastard into this family.
Mama. Mama, when are you leaving this house? In fact, you're leaving this house first thing tomorrow morning. I've had enough of this rubbish. Mama, enough.
Do you know what you are? You are a very big fool. Good. You think I did not hear? I overheard your friend telling you that he is fed up with your barren wife's elder sister Uju. They even have a son, oh. How many do you have? Nothing. So tell me, when will you be fed up with her? Answer me. I said answer me. Are you a go to where? Answer me. Now, but I'm kum. Wow! Anofia. Listen! By the time I come back here next time, you will see my actions, both of you. You see that juju that she has used on you? I am going to clear it from your eyes. Omunu nanya. Ndala. Na abara mochu. Uchu wabuo gebawa. So.
Babe, where are you coming from? I said, where are you coming from and why are you not picking my calls?
I went to see a prophet. We were asked to off our phones.
And how many times have I warned you to stop going to those places? How many times?
I want a child.
Hey, spare me that crap. Who knows if from us is saying the truth?
Babe!
Don't babe me. Do not babe me and listen good. This should be the first and the last time you will visit those places. Do you understand? I do not want to see you there again.
No, it can't happen. I must find a solution to my childlessness. I must prove to your mother that I am not barren. I need my own child.
Don't push me. Do not push me. Do not push me. Do I make myself clear?
Arise, Lord, arise. Arise. Judge over. Glory, Lord.
Huh? Glory, Lord. What is going on here? Who brought you here?
Glory, Lord.
Who are you?
Amen.
What's happening here?
What is it? What is
Who
it?
brought you this way to this compound?
What is it? I did. What is it? This is my father's compound. Do I need to tell you anything before I bring in my pastor?
Ujunwa, I am the first son of this family.
Oh.
You don't take such decision without my consent. No way to do what? Wait, you are not conniving with your brother Obinna to kill me and my family, isn't it?
To what? Shut up! Shut up, I said! Kill who? Kill low lives like you. Like you people.
Did I hear you say low lives? Who are you calling low lives?
You are the low lives.
Have we ever begged you for food before? Have you ever fed us before? How many pastors now?
Stop
Three
pouring
good pastors. Have they not told you that your problem is from this your father's compound? After all this deliverance, I still got pregnant before you.
Exactly. Hey, Amaka. Amaka, just look at the way you're insulting us. No problem, Inugo. No problem. Woman of God, please proceed.
Proceed!
Proceed!
Hey, get out from here! Get out from here!
No way!
Now listen, you. This will be the very last time you take such nasty decision in this compound without my notice.
This is my father's house. You have no right to stop my prophetess inside this compound. You are mad.
Just see what you've caused.
Very last warning.
You will do nothing. If I will tell you the difference between an illiterate and educated person, I will deal with you. I will be back for you.
Do your work. Do your work. Come on, do your work now. Do your work now. Do your work now.
If I touch
you can do nothing.
If I touch you,
you can do
fire.
You can do nothing.
Fire.
Sister, please calm down.
Nonsense. Are you not hearing the noise? Papa?
You mean the one coming from my late brother's house?
Yes. It's as though they are fighting, no? Papa, let's go and
No. Don't go anywhere. My friend, go inside and continue with the work you're doing.
Papa, they will kill themselves, so.
I say go, leave them. Don't you know that we are their target? My friend, go inside and continue with your work.
Hey, Papa.
Go inside.
Yeah.
I say go inside. All I know is that they cannot do anything to Ifeanyi. Let them continue to wallow in their ignorance. Foolish people. Ada, why did Obinna bring police to come and arrest Ifeanyi in this compound?
Uncle, I don't know. I don't know. This is becoming too much. Just because Uju and Mirabel brought prayer warriors to the house to come and pray without our consent. When Brady Ifeanyi now chased them away. It even took up to 20 minutes of Nana brought some policemen to come and arrest Ifeanyi. Uncle, where is that done? Is it because they know we don't have anybody?
Bano, huh? What is wrong with this boy called Obinna? What is wrong with him?
It didn't even end there. It didn't even end there. To the extent that some elders were even pleading with them to leave Ifeanyi alone, they refused. They refused. Uju was even fighting with Amaka.
Hey, where is Amaka now? Where is Amaka?
She has gone to the village chemist to get some drugs. She will be back soon.
Obinna! Obinna! Upanupako buru ntichiri ya. Upanupako buru oke ntichiri ya. Upanupako buru oke ntichiri ya. The stubborn praying mantis dies in the burning fire. Hey! Obinna!
Mazimbabwe.
Thank you for the cola. Ngwa, you can now tell us why you have brought us here.
My fellow elders, an elder cannot be at home while a goat gives birth in its teeth. I have become his target. Obinna, my late brother's son, has made me his target. Tell me, what have I done to him? What have I done to Obinna? Huh? I've tried to make peace with him and his sisters. Instead, they call me an arch enemy. How?
Eh? How can Obinna, Maureen's son, be running a war with you? Is that not stupidity? Amakwadi here?
Eh? Huh? I have been calling them. Come, let us join hands as one family to solve this problem, to solve this issue. Huh? But instead, they call me a wizard. How am I a wizard?
You?
No, how am I a wizard?
You Mbakwe, a wizard? Just like that?
Huh? And I'm the only one who knows the root of this problem. That is why I've been calling them, but they won't.
My people used to say, nwata na amaru ebe liri nne na nne ya, nwata na anọrọ ebe ahụ elie nne ya ma ọ bụ nne ya, nọ na-esi n'ụkwụ wee na-abọ. That boy should be very, very careful.
My elders. That is why I called for this meeting. Adia Mama, my life is at stake here. Let this boy not kill me overnight, too.
That boy will do you nothing.
That is why.
That's
why I've called you to be a witness.
God will not allow that. Ndị mbụ na ndị egede will not allow that boy to kill you. No! Obinna ọzọkwa. Obinna kwa.
Oh, my phone is ringing.
Baby, who is that?
Never mind. It's my wife.
When are you going to divorce this woman? When?
Baby, how are we going to talk about this again? I thought we discussed about this.
You have to do that. You have to do it. I mean, I'm tired of all this pretense. I want to pack in with you.
Oh, baby.
I want to be called your wife and not a second wife.
Look, as soon as what I'm expecting from you happens, I will serve her the divorce paper immediately.
What are you expecting from me?
You're talking as if you don't know.
No, I don't.
You don't know?
I don't know.
I want you to give me a child. In fact, give me children. That's what I want.
That's all you want?
Yeah.
Why didn't you tell me since?
Are you serious? Are you gonna do that for me?
Of course, baby.
Oh my god! You know what? Let's go down to the real thing.
No!
Babe,
Yes.
have you been here all day pressing your phone? I thought I asked you to help your friend cook for me.
Well, I'm tired.
You were tired?
Yes.
For real? Baby, you're tired? I told I'm going to have visitors. My business partners are coming.
Baby.
I'm going to be the one to host them. I'm hosting my friends. And you're here pressing your phone, telling me you're tired.
Babe, please, I don't have your time now. I don't want to argue with you. So please, just let me be. I don't have strength now.
I should let you be.
Yes.
What is wrong with you? What has come over you? Eh? What is this? So you can't help your friend cook for me?
Can I just rest for a second? Besides, Mirabel is doing the cooking. I don't know why you're here disturbing me.
Oh, I'm disturbing you.
Mm.
Ah. Okay, you want to rest, right?
Yes.
It's okay, it's okay. Keep resting. You're going to rest till infinity. Uh-huh.
Infinity.
Yeah, infinity. Rest. Wow. Wonderful.
I don't even know why you like nagging like a pregnant woman.
Oh.
Eh?
And maybe I'm pregnant. One. Rest, eh?
Babe. I don't want to go there. Besides, Mirabel is cooking already. Let me just press my phone. Nagging man. Infinity. I will rest till infinity. No!
You said you want to talk to me about something.
Yes. Actually, I want to tell you the truth and nothing but the truth. Chris, your relationship with Rose is no more palatable. You're not happy. Yes, and you have to tell yourself the truth.
What do you mean?
Okay. I know too well that Mirabel, my wife's younger sister, prepared that meal that we ate in your house. Two of us.
Does that entail that my relationship with Mirabel is not smooth? What are you trying to insinuate?
Okay. Frank is interested in marrying Mirabel, and he has already made an attempt.
I don't understand. Why are you telling me all this? Where are you heading at?
Okay, I want you to use your number 6 and solve this equation.
Henry, why don't you come out and go straight to the point and talk to me?
Okay, go for Mirabel. Yes, go for Mirabel. Look, Chris, Mirabel is a homely girl. She's respectful. She's well educated. Come on, she's everything a man needs in a woman. Look, sometimes life gives us the best, but due to we are hanging around the wrong people, we are too blind to see it.
Wait. Are you trying? Are you okay? You're talking me into breaking up with Rose?
Yes. Believe me, if you marry Rose, you will not live up to 50 years. You will start having high blood pressure. Try Mirabel.
Her friend?
Oh yes, it doesn't matter.
I don't even want to think about it.
Oh, you have to think about it.
No.
You have to think about it.
No.
Because I know what I'm saying. If you end up with Rose, man, you will regret it. Don't say I did not tell you. Oh yeah, that's the camera. Honey, come.
Welcome, babe.
Hey. What's going on?
I'm dancing.
You're dancing? What have you been doing since morning I left?
Nothing.
Nothing.
Yes.
So since I left here, you ate? Did you eat food?
Yes, I did.
You ate, right?
Yes.
Wow. Beautiful. So you remember to eat. But you didn't remember to do any house chores. You can't even wash my clothes. You can't even mop the floor. You can't dust the sitting room. You can't even do anything in this house. Okay, I kept money there. You couldn't even take money to cook some soup and put in the fridge. Huh?
That is a job of a maid now. I am not a maid. I am your baby.
I'll just keep you here. What's your problem? What are you good at? What exactly are you good at?
In bed.
In bed? Yes. You don't even know how to. You don't even know how to do. You don't even know how to do.
I take that from you.
Who on earth used to shout, "Oh daddy, oh daddy"? What kind of local talk is that? What happens to sweethearts?
You're making me feel bad.
Baby, and all that.
You're making me feel
What do you know? Well?
You're making me feel as if I don't know anything. I don't like it. I
No,
don't like
you don't
it.
know anything. Where do I know you from? What the hell is this? Do you know what you are? Damn.
Well, it's none of my business. You said I'm not going there.
Oh yes, I heard that. I heard it. No, I heard it. None of your business, right? None of your business, right?
Oh my God. Honestly, Frank, I believe that the best thing that can happen to you in this life is for you to marry Mirabel. You know that, right?
Well, look, let me tell you guys something, right? Did you guys know that she actually visited me in the office today? I mean, you guys needed to have seen the kind of delicious and tasty meal this girl brought.
You and food. You love food more than anything in this world.
No, you see how I don't play with my stomach. And this one, I mean, she's actually a heaven sent.
You don't seem to amaze me. So, what's up? Has she accepted to date you? We all know you are a Casanova.
Well, that's the problem. You see, I really need your help. You know, she happens to be your wife's younger sister, right? So I will actually need you to help me talk to her. Maybe she might just have a change of mind when she listens to you.
Okay. I think I don't understand. You guys are not dating yet, and she visited you at the office with food.
You know, I pressure her to do that, and I practically begged this girl to come see me.
Well, judging by what you said just now, if she came to your office like you told us here, with delicious food, that means you are one step ahead. Just don't give up. Bro.
I am not giving up.
Don't give up.
I am not.
Don't worry, I will help you talk to her.
Are you sure?
I'll help you talk to her.
That's my brother. Thank you.
We might be having a wedding to plan.
Cheers, everyone.
To the new union that's about to brew.
Yes.
Just that you guys are.
What? Finish it. You don't want to finish it.
Where's my girl?
She's in the room.
And why are you doing this? You just finished cooking for my friend. You washed the dishes and now you're mopping. You need to get some rest.
It's not a problem, sir. I just want to tidy the kitchen, then finish up with this and rest.
Oh. It's okay. I'll be with your friend.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Chris, I have to tell you, I have to be honest with you. See, you have to try Mirabel. Mirabel will fall for you. All you need to do is just to try. There's no harm in trying.
I want to be honest with you too. I am not going to try it. I will not try it.
Why?
Why will you tell me to go fighting Frank because of the girl he wants to get married to? No way. I'll not do that.
Look, you and I know that Frank is a womanizer. Yes! Frank likes everything on skirts. He's not the man for Mirabel.
Frank is serious with your in-law.
I don't think so.
I know so. Just give him benefit of doubt and he's a changed person.
I am not giving him any benefit of doubt. And moreover, I am not going to talk to Mirabel concerning him. Never, I will not try it.
Henry, I am sorry then. I'm not interested. I have Rose.
Rose?
Yes.
You have Rose? Rose of troubles? Come on. Stop covering your pain and come out of it.
How dare you advise me to leave my girl and go for her friend? Are you kidding me? Are you for real?
It doesn't matter. Does it matter?
Of course it matters. I love my girl.
Love.
Okay?
You're talking about love?
Yes.
See, let me tell you. You will not like it if you end up with Rose. You won't like it. I know what I'm telling you.
I love my girl. I'm not interested, okay? Sorry to disappoint you.
Chris, you have to come back. Let's finish this discussion. Chris, I'm serious. I know what I'm telling you.
Babe, I'm going to. I really do not know why you're shaking. Please, where's the money?
Which one?
The money I told you about now. I told you I need money. The money I told you about.
Which one?
The money I asked for now. Why are you pretending as if you don't know what I'm talking about? Can I get the money?
Don't you see? I'm not feeling fine. I'm demanding for me.
Please. I have an important meeting with my lecturer. I don't want this. Just give me the money. Let me go.
It's okay. Just check the drawer. She's right there.
Thank you. you so much, huh? Make sure you take your medications, okay? Find for me. Oh, sorry. See you later. I love you. Take care of yourself.
Hope you feel better.
Oh yeah. Thank you.
Please, I dropped your food at the dining table in case you feel hungry.
Oh, really? It's okay. If I feel hungry, I'll go and eat.
Please, don't forget to take your medications because it actually helped you feel better than when I came earlier.
It's okay. I will.
Okay. Bye.
It's alright.
You called me. Hope all is well.
Yeah, all is well, my young lord.
But you sounded urgent on the phone.
Oh yes, it was so urgent that I needed to talk to you. I wanted to come to your house, but I prefer here is better.
Okay, I'm listening.
Okay. Between my two friends, who do you prefer to spend the rest of your life with?
I don't understand. Who are your friends?
Franklin.
Franklin? Who else?
Chris. Don't do as if you don't know Chris.
I don't know.
Your girlfriend's boyfriend. Chris. Look, I want to give you a piece of advice. Huh? Chris is very understandable man. He's a gentleman. But Frank is just... I don't think Frank is the man you want to spend the rest of your life with. Do you understand?
Well, thanks for your advice. I'm sorry I have to go now. I was actually doing something in the house. So some other time.
What's wrong with this girl? Does she think I'm drunk or what? No. I know how to get her. I must talk her into liking Chris. Yes. Yes.
Good evening, sir.
You're welcome. Thank you so much for your kindness.
You don't need to thank me, sir. Please, is my friend in? I actually went to her house and she wasn't there. Then I called her on phone. I couldn't get her, so I figured she might be here.
I think she's not in her house.
No. But she should be here. Are you sure she's not here?
Oh, yes. She's told me about going to see her lecturer, yes.
Okay, on that note, I'm sorry I would have to leave.
Oh.
Mr. Peace, are you okay? Are you alright? Oh my God. I'm sorry. I was actually on my way. I was...
This man has nothing to say. Absolutely nothing to say. It's the same with Uncle Mbakwe. Birds of the same feather. I know Uncle Mbakwe sent you. Yes! No, don't touch me! You know what they did to my mother? They frustrated my mother! Because my mother was the second wife of my father! Right? And that was why my mother left the family house and built this beautiful mansion for herself. So, Uncle, I am sorry to say that I don't like the way you're bringing this evil man into the same house the woman they killed built. Alright? I don't like it.
My in-law, Obinna, nobody killed your mother. Nobody frustrated your mother. Yeah, your mother thought she was rich, wealthy, and educated. So she left on her own accord. Nobody killed your mother, Obinna.
Don't you think you're opening my eyes now? No. I'm beginning to think about something. So you people connived and killed my mother out of jealousy. Because she was rich. Huh? She was educated. That was why you killed her. You people keep twisting the story. Cooking cock and bull stories. I will never believe that. I cannot believe it one bit.
Obinna, I'm not here to banter words with you. Our king, Igwe, has summoned you. And you must answer him. It's a must.
I say, it's the Buama king. Who is your king? No, tell me, who are you? Who are you to tell me what to do? Who are you to command me in my own house? As what? I should go and see your king. Is your king my king? Your king is never my king and can never be my king. Alright? Go and tell your king to go to hell.
My in-law.
Wait, did you hear this?
Ichemba, please. You should be able to discern when a child is ranting. You understand? Don't take this his message to the king.
You cannot, Uncle. You cannot call me a child. No. I am old enough to know good from bad. To know right from wrong. To know my left and the right.
Obinna! I'm a bombe bugunafo. Obinna, I'm a lady bugunafo moage. Obinna, I cannot sit here and listen to your insults. Obinna, Manife. You.
Who are you to point someone? We can speak at me. Who are you?
Calm down. Now calm down, calm down, calm down. We will handle this with wisdom. Not violence.
I
know what you can do. Don't try it. Don't try it. Don't try it. I know you.
No, it can't be true.
And what do you mean?
Because all revelations point at my father's compound.
Now answer me. No, answer me. How many times have you taken men of God to your father's compound? How many times? What are you even saying? I've told you that this has nothing to do with your father's compound in the village. Babe, I am telling you the real truth.
Oh my God. How come I never thought about this? But honey, Rose is happily married with kids. She actually gave her consent and said we can actually live happily ever after. Didn't she?
What about Franklin? Yes. What about him? Franklin.
But I had nothing with him. I only told him I was getting married to you and not him.
Babe, I have this feeling that these people are not happy with us. Let us try once again and talk to them, please. Please.
I am not going anywhere, period.
You will not achieve anything with this your stubbornness. How could you? How could you ask the elders to go and tell the king that he should go to hell? For real? What is wrong with you? Listen, this is not how to go about this matter. This is not how to go about this matter. I have asked you several times to let me in as your woman, but you refused. Tell me, what is my duty as your wife?
Look, I want to have some peace of mind. Please, can you shut up your mouth and keep quiet? I need to think. Please.
Whether you like it or not, you must honor the invitation of His Majesty.
As who?
As your wife.
You don't tell me what to do in my own house.
Well, the last time I checked, this is your late mother's
house.
I am
my mother's son. Yes, first and only son, and this is my house. You have no right to tell me what to do in my own mother's house. Right? Are you stupid? As in commanding me to go and answer a call from a stupid king. What do you know?
Huh? You know the problem I'm having with you? You accuse everyone of being the cause of your problem in your father's house. Why can't you sit down and think like a man? Yes, think. Obina, think.
I see. I can sense what you're up to, right? I'd rather go out there and think. Cool off my head. If I descend on you this night, you will not forget it in a hurry.
That is what you're good at. Why don't you beat me? Beat me now. You always hit me like you're a slave. Nonsense. A man who does not have respect or regard for anyone. No, come back, oh. Obina, come back and face me. If you know that you're a man, come back and face me. Don't worry now. You will come and meet me in this house. Me and you, we will dig out. You will meet me. I don't blame you.
Honey, that's not fair. No. That's not fair.
You give you my pin.
So you can't trust me.
Want to finish me?
I'm not going to. I'm just going to buy the dress and...
Mama?
Mama, welcome.
What's going on? Mama, you didn't tell me you were coming.
Good morning, Auntie. Good morning, sir. Nkechi. Yes,
Yes, Mama. Listen to me. You forgot what I told you before coming here. You are not permitted to greet anybody in this house apart from your husband. Do you hear me? Mama, if anybody tries to interfere, your stay in this house. In my case, you make man the bulldog. You bulldog the person with your teeth.
Mama, excuse me.
Tabuya!
Mama Chelogodi. First of all, you didn't tell me you were coming. Secondly, who is this? Please.
2 questions at a time. Okay, I will answer them. Number 1. Do I need to tell you that I am coming when I know my way to your house? Or do you intend to pack out? I have answered number 1 question, Abi. Good. Number 2 question. Nkechi here is your wife. I know I'm she's your new wife. I brought her right from the village. You see this girl? Hey! She really want to give you dozens of children. I'm telling you.
Oh, really?
Yes.
That means she's been giving birth.
No, she has not.
Then how did you know that she's full of...
Her family, her parents, her sisters, her siblings. You understand? So, there is no need to waste time, my son. Work will start. Immediately. Oh yeah?
Mama, please. Due respect. I don't want this rubbish. Please. What is going on? What is this now? What kind of nonsense is this?
Chris, it's like that juju she gave to you has entered your ear that you don't hear very well. I said you should hurry up and come up. Work will start immediately. See your wife, this is your new wife that will give you dozens of children. Those children that you're looking for. The queer. Your room. Oh, let me take you to your room. She doesn't deserve it. Let's go. After going to give me dozens of grandchildren. Now, come. Hey! Okay, man, how's Nana? Okay, man, how's Nana? I told you, and I warned you.
It's okay, stop crying, please.
What do you mean?
Mama is going to frustrate herself, not us. Okay?
How can she bring you woman in my matrimonial home?
It doesn't matter. What matters right now is that I love you. I am going to be with you. Not her. I don't know what Mama is talking about. Okay?
I want to die. I can't believe this is happening to me.
You're not going to die. I am here with you.
I feel like I've lost everything. I need to die.
You're making me feel bad. Now stop this, please. Mama and that girl is a loser, okay? I am not going to let that happen. I'm the man here, okay?
But I know what are we going to
Don't
do?
worry. I will take care of that. Okay? Please. Please stop this. I don't like it. Please. It's okay. Please stop crying, please.
I heard you were challenging my elder brother. Telling him to go answer that stupid king. How dare you? How dare you?
Did you come into my house to stir up an argument? Wait. If I may ask, don't I have the right to discuss with my own husband? Or is it a problem to you? Is it?
Listen and listen very good. Lucia or whatever you call yourself. You are married to my brother. Doesn't give you the right to interfere in my family business. Okay? I am aware that you are meeting with Ada, Amaka and Uncle. Right on! You are a rebel to my elder brother, your husband. Lucia, stay off my family business.
Hey! Hold it there. See, Uju, I don't care whatever you say or think about me. Do you even know that I'm striving for a solution to the crisis that is happening in your family? Do you even know that I'm concerned about you and Mirabel for not being able to conceive in your own homes? Do you?
Thanks for your concern. Okay? Thanks for your concern, Lucia. Stay off. Stay off my family business, busybody. Stop interfering. Stop involving yourself in my family affairs. Don't say I did not want you, because if you see the other side of Uju, you will not like it. Stay off! Stay off!
I don't blame you. I don't even know why I opened door for you. Nonsense.
Try this one.
Mama, so you want me to wear this thing? The way it is like this, Mama? Yeah. This one is only in my this thing that it will stop off.
Will you shut up?
Huh? Mama, this one will be showing my pants though. If I'm walking, my pants will be there.
Kitchen, it's like you don't know anything. Huh? Do you know you're a bush girl? Listen, you are in the city now, so you must behave like city girls. You wear what they wear. And it is the only thing that will attract my son to your side.
Mama, this is a bad draw. If this one will make your son like me, I'll wear it now. There's no problem. Thank you, Mama. Mama, but sorry, will I be wearing pants?
Kechini, are you here to be wearing pants? A woman that is desperate to have a child does not wear pants to sleep at night. Yes. And besides, that place needs breeze. Cool breeze. If not that the gods have caused Mirabel. She doesn't wear pants to sleep at night with her husband. So you don't need pants, forget pants for now.
Okay, so, Mama, what they are saying is that in this my husband's house, I will not be wearing pants at all. And when I'm sleeping at night, I'll just be throwing my leg like this. Throwing my leg like this. Is that what you say, Mama?
That is what I'm saying.
Hey, Mama.
You don't need to. For you to just spread the two legs wide open.
Hey!
Especially when you are in this room.
Mama!
You have no reason to resist you.
So that
he just look at it. It will magnet him.
Mama, so that breeze will enter. But Mama, it's not hot now. It's still cold.
It's hot. Cold. You don't know that it's hot. It's hot. You're wearing pants now, so that place is hot.
Mama, you know I love you, Mama.
I love you, pants.
Hey!
It's a fine drink. See, what be now, my son?
Uncle.
You see, our people say that one does not reject the call of the gods. And they also say that the king is appointed for the people to be under, so that we can coexist in peace.
Uncle, just you speaking in parables. Can you please go straight to the point?
What I want you to understand here is this. Go and see the king. You don't have to be quick to react when you are furious or make decisions that will make you look stupid when you are finally realize that you've made a mistake. You have to go and see the king. You must.
Never, Uncle.
Yes, she heard me right.
Why?
I'm not going to see any king. Not when I am still alive. Uncle, do you know how long? Do you know how many times I've gone to the palace to report Uncle Mbakwe and Ifeanyi? The king aborted my reports. I have done practically everything within my powers to make sure the king
punish Mbakwe and Ifeanyi, those evil men. The king did nothing. Absolutely nothing about it. And now you want me to go to the palace and answer the king for what?
That's okay. That's okay. I know about all that. I know. Huh? But can I tell you the truth? Can I?
Go ahead.
Obinna, I don't think your uncle, Mbakwe, and your stepbrother, Ifeanyi, are the one responsible for your sister's childlessness. I don't think so. I have done my findings.
Uncle, you're serious right now. Oh, I see. I can see my wife has finally convinced you.
What?
Yes, Uncle, and now you're supporting my enemies. Really? Uncle, I am disappointed in you. And I strongly believe that my mother, my late mother, will be disappointed in you too. Thank you for letting me know that I am in this alone. I am alone in this. Thank you very much.
Obinna! I wish he can understand.
What is this? Bed. Can you imagine? Yeah? What is this rubbish now?
Will you take to come out of my matrimonial bed? I'll get out! What is it?
Get out!
What
is this now?
She's beating me to leave my husband's house!
What is this rubbish?
So, what did I tell you? Didn't I tell you to use your teeth? Bulldog anybody that tries to interfere.
Mama, what is this now? My matrimonial room. What is it?
We are getting.
Mama.
I am not even noticing your presence in this house.
Mama.
Eh?
You know what?
If one piece are talking, shut up. Me check for go can go course in Apuada. Can go ya adu say jiri to ya. Okay. Eh? If hogs are bragging that they are good meat to eat, vulture like you will be bragging too.
Mama, you're calling me a vulture.
That is what?
Mama, do you know what? Mama, do you know what? First thing, in fact, I'm going to lodge you people in the hotel now. Then first thing tomorrow morning, you are hitting the road back to the village. Do you understand? Get up from that bed.
Listen, if I curse you with this breast, if I curse you with this breast of mine that I use in feeding you, now I got take a tahu in Apuada, in a lodge in a hotel. But can't you work in a lodge in a hotel?
Mama, I want to sleep. Please, you people should get out of this.
All of us will sleep.
Mama, take this pig out of this place.
It's not possible.
This is your
Get up from that
husband's
bed.
wife. She's your husband's wife. I get up. I will slap you. I will slap you.
What is it?
Mama, why did you bite me now? What did I do to you?
It's just you've not seen anything. I'm a witch. I will eat you up like witches.
What is going on?
The children has come to stay. And she must stay.
Get up from that bed. Get up.
Mama!
Mama, I'll push you. I'll push you.
Push me.
Lie down. Mama!
Hey!
Step up, lie down.
Hey!
My husband did not touch you.
Get in.
Mama, my husband did not touch you.
You don't want to lie down. Mama!
You want to make me a mad woman? I will behave like a mad woman in your house. Oh, where? Push me down. I cannot walk again. I cannot walk again. No problem. Okay,
my leg, oh, my leg.
Hey!
No, come.
Neighbors,
Oh. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh, mommy. Oh, my mommy. Oh, my mommy. Oh, mommy. Oh, mommy. Yes. You are there.
You broke my head. You had the effrontery to hit me.
How dare you?
In my own house!
How dare you? How dare you bring your secretary into our matrimonial?
Filing a divorce. I'm done with this marriage. I am done for good.
I'm shaking. I'm shaking, husband. After making me a mess. You think working out is a solution? You're not going to work out of this marriage.
Then give me a child.
We die here together, Henry.
Give me a child. I'm not going to die in this marriage with you. Give me a child. I want children. Prove to me that you've not entered your menopause.
I have a son for you, Henry.
I need more children. You gave me a son that virtually I spend all my money on medical bills. I don't need that kind of a child. Do you understand?
Henry, my son will not die if that is what you are anticipating. My son is not going to die. But you know what? I am not going to walk out of this marriage. This marriage is for better or for worse till death do us part.
Listen.
I am not going anywhere.
Listen, let me tell you. Don't you understand this thing? Don't you know that your family is cursed?
Oh my God.
Are you not aware?
Henry, for you. Henry, for you.
See, leave my life for good. Leave my life. Get out of my way. Get out of my life. I don't want to be part of the curse. I don't want to be part of your curse.
My God will judge you, Henry. Henry, my God will Henry, my God will judge you. Henry, my God will judge you. Henry.
Please, I would like to spend the night at the boys' quarter. I need some time to think.
But babe...
Excuse me. I'm sorry.
Babe?
What kind of dream is this? I can't believe I'll sleep in this boys' quarter. But I have to do this.
You are going to fire that your secretary. That harlot you called your secretary. And you're going to fire her right now.
How dare you barge into my office? How dare you barge into my office without an invitation? Now, leave my office before I descend on you!
You're not going to do anything I said! You have to fire that your secretary! That Ashawo you brought as the secretary! Fire her right now! Oh! Talk of the devil! You are here!
You want him to fire me as a secretary, right? That's all you want. Well, let me tell you something. I can be fired as a secretary, but I can't be fired as a new wife.
What? Are you mad? Is something wrong with you? Wife to who? I don't get it.
What? You're 2 weeks pregnant!
Yes, baby.
Oh my god! Oh, come here!
Are you mad?
Oh my goodness.
Is something wrong with both of you?
Oh my god.
What's with this rubbish? Are you mad? How dare you? Wife to who now? What's going on here? Pregnant to who? Wife to who? What is she talking about?
She's pregnant for me, and I'm happy about it. Eh? Since you can't give me babies, yes, since you can't give me children, she is pregnant for me.
She's pregnant for you, Henry.
Yes.
She's...
Leave her alone! Leave my wife alone!
Mama, good morning. Kitchen. Mama. You're decorating. Yes, Mama.
I don't want to wake you. I said, let me allow you to relax and enjoy yourself because I know you must be tired. So tell me, I hope you treated him very well.
Tired doing what? With who?
Your husband, of course.
Mama, your son did not sleep in his bedroom last night though. Upon the skimpy dressing. I did not even wear pants save last night like you instructed me. Breeze nearly entered my stomach, yet no show, nothing. Every skimpy thing was waste.
Tell me you're joking.
Mama, I cannot joke with you now. I'm very serious. I swear to God, he did not even touch me. Did not even see me at all.
But I saw him enter the room.
Yes, he came into the room. He went straight to his bed. He took his duvet. Psh! Mama, I'm very sad. I'm not happy at all. And you know, Mama, I'm a woman now. Especially when this thing is scratching me. Tell your son, it's scratching me. Tell him. How am I supposed to do it now?
Bianchi,
Mama.
I used to think you're still this thing. Don't tell me you've been doing this.
God forbid, I've not done it now, but...
So why is it scratching you?
Because I own myself. I know it's scratching me, even as I'm talking to you. Don't you see the way I'm doing it? It's scratching me, Mama. Tell him. It's scratching me. I'm a woman.
This girl, you will not kill me. Listen, don't worry. Come here. Don't worry. Just don't give up. Okay? He must come and scratch you. They say that he's scratching you.
Now you are talking.
At least after scratching it, he will scratch out the baby. Baby must come out.
Mama, every time you are talking of baby, let him scratch face.
And that is what I want.
Let him scratch face.
I want the baby. He must scratch this thing so that baby will come out.
Amen. Yes, he must scratch baby.
Don't worry. He must make you his wife. Relax. We'll keep trying. Oh?
Hey. Hi, Mama. Scratching me, Sha. Telling the truth.
Mama, what will I cook for you this morning? What will you eat, safe? Eh?
Don't worry, I'm preparing something. Eh?
Okay, Mama, tell him she fast and scratch it. Let me finish.
Don't worry,
cleaning.
he will
I'll
scratch
join
it.
you.
Okay. He must. He must scratch it.
Okay.
Eh?
Okay. Thank you.
We'll force him to scratch it.
Yes, let's force him to scratch it. I'm human being. Blood is running in my body.
Okay, no problem. Let me continue what I'm doing.
Every time thing will be scratching. Tell your son to do it fast, or else I'll take you to security to help me scratch.
Oh, my baby. How is my baby doing?
It's kicking already.
Oh, I love that.
Baby, what is she doing still doing in your house?
You don't have to bother yourself about her. She's going to leave soon. Look, immediately she signs the divorce papers, she's leaving my house. My lawyer is taking care of that. You don't need to bother yourself, huh?
You have to mount pressure on this woman. If not, she's not going to leave. And I don't want to come in there and be second wife. I just want to be your one and only. That's all I want.
You're already my one and only, huh? You're here with me.
Then let her go.
Ashawo, harlot, you are daring me, eh? You are daring me, you this witch.
Uju, what are you doing here? What are you doing in my office? Haven't I warned you not to step your futile legs into this office? What are you doing here?
You think sleeping out will frustrate Ujunwa, eh? You think sleeping out will frustrate me, Ujunwa? Let me tell you something. If you like, pack your load, pack every of your belongings and go to her. If she likes, let her give you dozens of children. Eh? I don't care. But let me tell you something. If I am going to leave that house, I am going to live with my son Junior. Yes, I am going to live with my son Junior because I'm not going to be alive to watch this Akuna, this Ashawo husband snatcher train my son. It's not going to be possible.
You are going nowhere with Junior. You are leaving that house and Junior is going nowhere with you. Junior is my son. Junior is the only thing I've got.
Till then, in your dreams, I will not be alive to see this witchcraft train my child.
Nonsense. You are going nowhere with Junior. Junior is my son.
Oh, baby. Our voice is making my baby to kick too much.
Sorry.
My voice are kicking too much.
Sorry.
Sorry. Baby, but let her go now. I'll give you plenty children.
No. I can't allow her to go with Junior. I can't. Junior is my only son. I can't allow her to go with Junior.
Baby, but you promise you'll do anything I want as long as I'm carrying baby.
Listen, you have to keep Junior out of this. He's the only thing I've got now. Do you understand?
Baby, please, kick into control. Babe.
It's okay.
Babe, Mama. Sorry.
How dare you? I trusted you. But what did you do? You hurt me so much. You took away my man from me. Well, it's fine. I can see the ring. I heard about the wedding. But it's none of my business.
Look, Rosie.
Shut your mouth! I promise you something, Mirabel. You will suffer in this house. You will find peace. You will not see. You will eat bitterness and pain. I hate you.
I hate friends like you. I hate you! Go to hell!
Babe. 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 Who was that? Who was that? What, you crying? Babe. Babe.
Andrew, open that gate.
Babe.
Andrew, open that damn gate now. Open that gate.
Andrew, don't open that gate. Babe. Babe, I beg you, don't do this. We just celebrated our anniversary. Babe, listen to me. Listen. Andrew, don't open that gate.
Tell your gate man to open that gate.
Babe, why?
Tell him to open the gate now.
Okay. Andrew, open the gate. But you have to calm down.
Rubbish.
Just take it.
Don't scrape me.
Babe, please listen to me. Listen.
How can you leave your husband's house just like that? Yeah? Are you insane?
Mirabel, did your husband beat you?
He will not dare.
I'm not talking to you. Let her talk.
No, Uncle.
Did you see your husband on top of a woman?
No, Uncle.
Then why are you here now? Yeah? Why are you telling us that you're no longer interested in the marriage? Yeah? Up now. Go back, oh. Go back to your husband, though.
No, I don't know, Linus. I'm not going back to the house. This marriage is over.
Uncle, look. She's not going to spend the night in this house. She's not staying here with me. Yes!
Can we at least let her settle down? She's crying for Christ's sake.
Settle down where now? Of simply.
Baby, calm down now. Let her just relax. Let her calm down first.
Madam Zoike, Osokam, please. Not in this house. She can...
What's even going on here? Can you say calm down, eh?
I don't understand. Your sister is crying.
Not in this house.
Is something that can make a woman feel so bad. Barrenness can kill the peace and joy in a family. Everyday tears, everyday crying, because there's no cry of a child in the house. This is unfair and
well, my sister,
I've heard all that you said. It's not that I'm enjoying what is happening to you. Being that you are my only stepsister, you have regard for me and sees me as the eldest son of the family. I shouldn't stop you from bringing your pastor to come and pray in your own father's house. My family and I will join in the prayers with you.
Hey, thank you so much, brother. Thank you for understanding. I'm grateful.
You are very much welcome.
My wife, Kekwane, how are you and the kids?
We are fine, don't worry. I want you to relax. God is going to do it for you this time around.
Thank you.
Well, since you said you will not eat anything in your own father's house, no problem. Who am I?
No, brother, it's not like that. I actually ate before coming. You know what? You people should join me to the car so you take the things that I bought for you people.
Oh yeah. She even brought something for us.
Of course, you all are family.
It's okay.
My wife.
Thank you.
Let's go. Let's go.
You know the journey is actually very far.
Yes.
Let me just rush home now.
Henry, you're not going anywhere.
What is all this drama? Uju, step out of my way.
I said you're not going anywhere, Henry. Henry, you're not going anywhere.
Uju, step out of my way.
You're not going anywhere, Henry.
Uju, I don't want to see you around me. And I don't want to see you around Jane. You don't understand? If I see you around Jane, I am going to kill you.
You will not dare it, Henry. I said you will not dare it.
Try me, Uju. Try me. Now listen for your information. I am bringing my pregnant wife to live with me in this house. So you better sign these divorce letters and get your barren self out of my house.
Henry, you lie. You see today's work. Today's work is not for you, Henry. Henry, yes, so is it that you kill me or I kill you?
I will kill you.
Junior's drugs is finished and he needs another one. Henry, today you're going to kill me or I kill you.
See what I'm talking about? You see what I am talking about? I spend 100,000 naira on drugs on Junior. Every month. 100,000. See, if you can't take care of Junior, if you can't pay for his drugs, suit yourself. I am out.
You are joking, Henry.
Get out of my way.
Henry Mbadiwe, I said you are joking.
That is my name. And I will tell you why they call me Mbadiwe. Now step out of my way.
You're not going anywhere. No. I said you're not going anywhere. Henry, you sit at your office. I am coming there live and direct. You are going to see me there. You this useless guy. You're going to see me there. You have not seen anything yet, Henry. Henry, you have not seen anything yet. Rubbish man. You think I'm going to shake because you impregnate your mistress. You will come back and meet me here. You will go and come back.
Baby mom. My husband. Your food is ready. I cook it by myself. I did not wear bra, I did not wear pants. So that it will be so sweet. And it's very delicious. So I cook it from my heart for you. Come and eat. You will like it. It smells very good. Let me hold you so that you...
Hey, come on. You frog holding. Mbembe. Ikwi. Nenkiri kicheku. I should come and eat your food. So you cooked it in your nakedness. So it will be very sweet. Can you go papi watakwe? Unyala. I should come and eat your food. Next time, don't try this nonsense again with me. Go and remove that nonsense on that table.
Baby,
go and remove it.
Baby, what I cook is not nonsense though. It's very sweet. I'm telling you the truth. It's very sweet. See, but why are you always like this? Eh? Why? You all the time, your temper is odd. Cool down small now so that we can do something.
My temper is odd.
Yes, now.
Hot.
Yes.
You think I'm joking here? Then call Nza. Untrained monkey. Want me to eat your food?
It's smelling well. Baby, me, are you? Baby, please now, don't go now, my food. Baby, why is it always like this? Why is it always hot tempered? I'll tell Mama. You will cool down your temper.
My husband, I'm worried.
About what?
About your stepsister, Mirabel.
I'm more worried and concerned than you are.
She's such a kind-hearted lady. She doesn't behave like the others. Don't even know why she's going through this difficulty in her marriage. I just wish that everything will go well for her.
As a matter of fact, I'm as confused as you are. I think whatever thing my sister is passing through must be mysterious. No, how can? Huh? How can she be undergoing this kind of childlessness in her husband's home? My late father told me that she's an incarnation of Nain, our great-grandmother. She never experienced such a thing in her own husband's home. She has 4 kids. 2 male and 2 female. Which is my uncle Mbakwe and my late father. Now, why would she reincarnate into Mirabel and be undergoing this kind of childlessness? Honestly, it's not funny. I think there is something behind it. I wonder why she'll be going through such things in her matrimonial home.
Do you believe in reincarnation?
Of course, I do. As a matter of fact, my late father also told me that Ada is also an incarnation of Nain. Now look at Ada today. Ada is happily married with 2 kids and she's heavily pregnant. So why is Mirabel's case different?
That means there's a mistake somewhere. How are you even sure that she's the reincarnation of your great-grandmother? Nay.
My father told me.
I don't know. I don't know how we can help her.
I'm still thinking because this thing is giving me sleepless nights.
Hope you're enjoying the food.
I'm really.
Should I bring more?
See, I cannot lie to you at all. My mother was a giver when she was alive. She had that attribute of my grandmother. Those days, whatever she gives you, whether it's an ornament or anything, bam, it will give you love.
Hey, Papa.
Yes, my daughter.
So are you telling me that Sister Mirabel reincarnated from my grandmother? Eh? Then why is she now barren? Hmm? Unlike her, existence here on it. See now, Sister Uju. Is desperate. Sister Uju is desperate. Sister Uju is desperate for the fruit of the womb. Ever since she got married, she has not been able to conceive. Remember, she gave birth out of wedlock. Since then, no issue. I mean, literally, 2 sisters are battling for the same fruit of the womb.
See? That is why I have been calling Obinna. Obinna and his sisters, let them come. Let us settle this thing. Let me tell them where the problem began. But they wouldn't. They keep calling me an evil man. Am I an evil man? No! I'm not an evil man. I've been calling them, but they will not listen. Come and sit down, my daughter. Let us sit down first. Come and sit. Sit down and rest. So, as I was saying, Obinna, he refused to listen. He refused to accept. They keep calling me an evil man. Am I evil? I'm not an evil man.
You're not, Papa.
You see? My daughter, the problem is not from me. The problem is not from the family. It's not the reincarnation, my daughter. They keep fighting me. But I'm not the cause. That is why all the pastors, all the people they are brought to come and pray for them, the result is watery and invalid. Do you fall with the legs and then start holding the neck? The pain must be at the leg, not the neck.
So, Papa, what are you implying?
What am I implying? Let me ask you. Answer my question. Will you be touching your neck, pressing your head when do you have pains in your leg?
No, Papa.
The problem in that family is the fault of the mother. She is the cause of their grief, especially that of the daughters. Yes.
Hey, Papa, are you telling me that their mother is the reason for their predicament? Wait, is it because she left her husband's house and went somewhere else to get a land and build for herself? Is that the reason?
Far from that, my daughter. Just far from that. Anybody can do that if he has money. My brother gave her the go-ahead to build the house. Okay. My brother gave her. But that is not the problem. She is the cause of that all this problem. She is the cause. But you will not understand everything, my daughter. You won't understand everything at once. I think you should go and take your bath first. Go and take your bath first. Okay. We'll talk about it again.
What is really going on? How can I be in the river and soap will enter my eyes? Is it possible? Huh? Obina, where's your wife?
Uncle, she left my house. But that one is not a problem. The striking part of it is that she went to the school where my children are schooling and took my 2 boys away. Uncle, I have called her parents. I've called her mom. She will definitely regret this. It's a promise. She will.
Uju! Uncle, please don't call my name. Please! I am not here for anybody. Don't call my name.
Will you shut up? How dare you wag your mouth on me like that? Are you out of your senses? What is wrong with all of you? Obina here is beating up his wife every day. And your husband just sent you divorce papers and got a girl pregnant. What kind of slap is this on our faces? As if that is not enough. No. Mirabel is battling with her home. Her mother-in-law is making life miserable for her every day just because she doesn't have a child. And then all of you are here talking to me anyhow,
Uncle, I am respecting you because you're my mother's elder brother. Yes!
Otherwise?
What will happen to Junior? No, tell me! You see, Junior, Henry is not going to take Junior away from me, and he's not going to kick me out of that house. Oh yes, he's not going to do that. And you see that divorce paper? Hey, I, Uju, will not sign that stupid divorce paper. I'm not going to do it. Never.
Obina.
Uncle.
I'm here for 2 reasons. 1, the king of this kingdom wants to see you. And you must answer that call. Yes. You must answer the call. This time around, you can't be stubborn about it. No way. Secondly, you have to go and bring your wife and your children back into this house.
Baby, uncle, that one is a minus. I will not not try it, Lucia will bring back my kids in this house. Yes, I will not try it. Lucia will bring back my kids to this house.
I don't understand. Where were you when you left this house? Where were you?
What sort of nonsense question is that? No, Uncle, the question should be, what and why did your husband serve you that divorce papers?
Please don't ask me that stupid question. I am pissed already right now. Junior's medication is finished. You're just ranting, saying nonsense.
Is it my business? Am I Junior's father? Am I? No, idiot. The only thing I know is that you're not staying in this house and period. It's my house now. I am the firstborn and the only son of our mother. Alright?
I am the whole son and the only son in this house. You are mad. You are really, really mad. Obinna. Our late mother built this house for us. What are you saying? Do you even have your own house? In one block. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Are you a man? Have you built your own house? You're here ranting, saying rubbish. I'm a man. Man, kill you.
I blame myself for asking the reason your husband served you a divorce paper. Who would want to be with a nitwit like you? Idiot! Scallywag! Don't worry. You dare not tell me what to do in my own mother's house. Nonsense. Go back to your husband's house. Get out.
Tradition no go die. Tradition no go fade. Oh. You must observe tradition. Yeah, you see tradition. Tradition no go die. Tradition no go fade.